ID.5 in series production, Volkswagen successfully transforms Zwickau site into an electric vehicle production plant. Volkswagen is driving forward the shift to electric vehicle manufacturing with its Accelerate strategy. Today's official start of production of the ID.5 and ID.5 GTX marks the completion of Volkswagen's successful transformation of its Zwickau plant into a dedicated electric vehicle production facility. The long-established site in western Saxony is the first large-scale facility of any volume manufacturer worldwide to switch over all production from internal combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles. 6 models from the Volkswagen, Audi, and CUPRA brands will now be manufactured in Zwickau based on the modular electric drive matrix, MEB. The plants in Emden, Hanover, and Chattanooga will be added to the electric vehicle production network this year. The Volkswagen brand has thus laid the foundations for building 1.2 million all-electric vehicles at its sites in Europe, the USA, and China in 2022 based on the MEB. Since 2018, around €1.2 billion has been spent on converting the Zwickau plant from ICE vehicle production into a digital, flexible, highly efficient showcase factory for the manufacture of electric vehicles. Increasing use is being made of technologies such as Smart Industry 4.0 robots and driverless transportation systems that take components to the assembly line completely autonomously. Close to 40% of the investment volume went into the enhancement and expansion of the body shop alone. This area's already high level of automation now reaches nearly 90%, and the number of state-of-the-art robots has risen from 1,200 to 1,625. Automation in the assembly line has also been almost doubled to 28%, and production ergonomics have improved significantly. Only jobs involving monotonous or physically strenuous work have been affected, such as working with one's hands above one's shoulders or overhead work. In total, more than 50,000 square meters of new building space have been created, such as for the expansion of the press shop, which is where all shell body parts for the electric models are now pressed on site, saving 9,000 truck trips per year. Other major projects involved construction of a new logistics building as well as a battery sequencer, which is now the tallest building at the Zwickau site. The volume of investment for these 3 projects alone is around €115 million. In Zwickau, 6 models from 3 brands will leave the production line, the Volkswagen ID.3, ID.4, and ID.5, plus the Audi Q4 e-tron, Q4 Sportback e-tron, and CUPRA Born. The production capacity corresponds to an annual output of more than 300,000 vehicles, making the Zwickau plant currently the most efficient electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Europe.